Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Select the incorrect statement. So 4 statements are given and we have to choose the statement which is false or wrong. So let's see the statements one by one. First statement is LH and FSH decrease gradually during the follicular phase. So what happens during the follicular phase? Follicular phase, also known as the proliferative phase. So during this phase, the level of FSH and LH, FSH means follicular stimulating hormone and LH means the luteinizing hormone. So their level starts rising during the follicular phase and it is under the influence of hormone GnRH. It means the gonadotropin releasing hormone which is released from the hypothalamus. So during this phase, GnRH level increases and this GnRH stimulates the anterior lobe of pituitary to release FSH and LH. So the level of these hormones gradually rise in maternal blood, and these hormones, especially the FSH, it stimulates the growth of follicles. The follicles which are present in immature forms in the ovary. So primary follicle under the influence of FSH transforms into secondary, secondary into tertiary, and which ultimately matures to form the Graafian follicle. So this all work is done under the influence of FSH hormone. So the level of these two hormones, which are also known as gonadotropins, increases during the follicular phase. So here it is given that the level of these hormones decrease. So this is a wrong statement. Now if we look further, then LH, it means the luteinizing hormone, triggers secretion of androgens. Androgens are the male sex hormones and the principal androgen is testosterone. So LH stimulates the Leydig cells which are present in the testis in between the space present around the seminiferous tubules. So LH triggers these Leydig cells which in turn are stimulated to secrete the androgens. So this is right, LH triggers secretion of androgens from Leydig cell. Now the third option is FSH stimulates Sertoli cells which help in spermiogenesis. So this is a correct statement. FSH targets the Sertoli cells which in turn release certain factors which are responsible for spermiogenesis. And spermiogenesis is the transformation of spermatids into sperms or spermatozoa. So this is right option. Now the fourth option is LH triggers ovulation in ovary. So this is a right statement. What happens that just before ovulation, the level of LH in maternal blood rises several folds, and this LH increase is called the LH surge and it is responsible for the ovulation. So this is also a right statement. So these three, B, C and D are right statements while option A is not right. So the right option of this question is option A. All the best bachcho.